once you tell your story, digitize it and get it out there on your websites and on social media, you don't have to do that again, right? It's like it's totally automated. That's what you're talking about with your institutional investors. They want to go through that to decide whether or not they're even going to talk to you, right? If you've not got it, it's harder to make the decision to even talk to you.
That's right.
So let me ask you this. We also talked about trends, and what I wanted to ask was what you've seen in the last 6 months. I don't think we really touched on that. Have you seen an increase with remote working increasing and awareness of automation, digital automation and tech increasing? Have you noticed an increase in demand for Juniper Square and for digital services? Or what have you seen in terms of trends, I should ask?
Yeah, I mean, COVID has been a significant driver of technology adoption. We're all, we're all living in a remote, distributed world now, and so it's accelerated the need for industry-specific technology like Juniper Square. We've brought on, I think, something like more than 80 new clients since the start of COVID, which was in March, just to give you some perspective. So we feel very fortunate that we're in an industry that can help our colleagues in kind of real estate, private equity, and real estate investing solve this problem. But COVID has absolutely been a major driver. And one of the things it's done is it's taken this from a fairly, let's just say this is a medium to low priority, and it's made it the top priority because now you have teams working out of systems in different places. We got to get everybody on the same system so that when your investor calls or your investor logs in, they get the actual information. So that's been really interesting for us to see. And we actually see, from an industry perspective, we see capital raising accelerate. So a lot of folks are having a lot of success right now in terms of raising capital. And I'm sure, I'd be curious to know, Adam, what you guys are seeing in your business, because this is an interesting trend. And I think what it shows is a flight to quality in a time of distress like we're in right now.
Yeah, I think there's a few things going on. One is there's a flight to quality, flight to stability, and predictability is very important. Yeah. But also there is a lot of pent-up demand for opportunistic investments as well, which is where a lot of the money is backing up, I think, at the moment, right? Yeah. Particularly.